Begin by removing your dry fit panel. Ensure the shower area is clean of debris before applying thinset. Next, using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square notch trowel, spread a layer of modified or rapid set thinset over the shower footprint. Position the drain support frame and press firmly into thinset, ensuring full coverage. Next, position the curb and press firmly into the thinset. Position the front and rear quick slope panels and press firmly into the thinset. To ensure panels have been evenly compressed, carefully walk on them to achieve full coverage of thinset below. Next, secure the curb with supplied curb lags. Ensure you do not screw into the drain body. Finally, remove any excess thinset that may have seeped out from under the PET pan system.